everyone, welcome to my channel Happiness at Your Fingertips. Hope you guys had a great day. So today, before skipping on to the main video, I would like to share certain facts. Yes, like a lot of us want to grow a variety of different kinds of plants at our home. Like we have a passion, we have a hobby for growing plants. May it be indoor plants, may it be your flowering plants, your fruits or vegetable plants. So today I am going to talk about a vegetable plant that is really not very easy to grow plant, but yes, it grows pretty well if you fulfill these particular conditions. So I would be letting you know about those particular conditions, but before that, have a look at my beautiful capsicum plant that has already grown up and has started to flower. So I'm really pretty sure and really very eager to see its first fruit or hoping some good capsicums right now. So before skipping on to the video, let me let you know about this particular fact about capsicum or bell peppers or chili plants. Like these kinds of plants are really not very easy to grow. Now when I say that it's not very easy to grow, it means that one thing you need to have very importantly is patience about these kinds of plants, and the second thing is effort. So both the two things are interrelated. Like the first time, if you are trying to germinate these kinds of seeds, it won't germinate as soon as you want them to germinate. At least it takes about 10 days to get properly germinated. It may not happen once, it may not happen twice, but it may happen for the third time, and this is my third time that I am trying to grow these kinds of plants. And yes, successfully it had germinated and grown up into a beautiful plant which is about to fruit soon. So let's have a look at my entire video where I will be telling you about how to grow capsicum or bell peppers or chili at home in your own small space, may it be your garden, may it be your terrace garden or your balcony garden. But before, I would like to request all of my viewers, that please have a look at the entire video to know this particular tips to grow capsicum at home. And if you like my video and find it useful, then please do not forget to press the like button and subscribe button down there. And yes, do not forget to press the bell button too, because that is essential to stay with me for many other interesting videos. So once again, thank you and keep watching the entire video. Well, as you can see, the capsicum are beautiful green plants that actually needs a little bit of time to grow, but once it grows, it pretty does well. And my ones have grown beautifully. I have two plants right now. Those are showing buds at their tips and even flowering. So before jumping into the video, I would like to say a few things about capsicum. Like most of these pepper plants like bell peppers, capsicum or chilies, they need a warm, hot and humid temperature to flourish properly. Actually, they need a lot of sunlight. Frankly, they need a lot of sunlight, and it may so happen that your seeds that you are planting may not germinate for the first time, it may not germinate for the second time, but eventually it will germinate if you keep trying and following the proper tips that I am going to say. So maintaining the soil for the proper growth is very much essential. The soil that you are maintaining should be completely a drainage soil, and it should be sometimes dug at least once or twice a week. And you must add compost or cow dung manure when you see that your plant has grown and it has started to bear buds, which will eventually flower and bear into capsicum fruits. So my one has started flowering, so this is it, and this flower looks beautiful. I am really very fond of the flower right now. So this is how the capsicum flower actually looks. This will eventually turn out to be a fruit, and I will also give you a video. I will provide a video of my capsicums once I am able to harvest a number of them. I will of course throw a video on that too. And coming to watering, I would like to suggest that when you have planted a capsicum plant and you are finding that it has started to show buds and flowers, then watering is very much necessary. And it should not be left completely dry. The topsoil should not be left completely dry, because that will help the flowers to fall, which we do not want, right? Adding compost or manure at regular intervals to the soil is necessary, at least once in a month. If possible, then you can add it after 15 days too. Compost and cow dung manure does pretty well in enhancing the growth of your plant and giving proper nice good fruits. And as I was saying, like, watering them is very much essential, like regular watering. Capsicum plants love water, but it should not be kept waterlogged. What I mean to say is, you should not constantly keep watering that the soil is not draining the water out properly. It should not get waterlogged. The soil should be properly a well drained soil. So right now this is how my plant looks like. It's a beautiful sunny afternoon here. This particular plant grows to a height of about 20 inches as per my experience, with new branches and new stems and broad leaves all over. And at this point of time, you will be able to observe these small little buds which will develop into nice beautiful white flowers. And these flowers will eventually turn out into capsicum. And to ensure that the plant remains healthy and bears its fruit and nice fruits, actually it is really very necessary to regularly water it. You may add even bone meal or fish meal if possible, because those are available in the market. If you do not find any kind of bone meal or fish meal, you can add dried tea leaves. Those are rich in nitrogen, and this enhances nice fruiting in your plants too. So I'm quite eagerly waiting for my capsicum to grow, and once they are grown, I'm sure going to upload a nice beautiful video on my capsicum fully developed fruits. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I have tried to keep it as simple as I could. Hopefully I will be coming up soon with a new video on my capsicum harvesting very soon. And I know many of you wants to put in some of these plants at your home, and if you have any kind of queries regarding that, please do comment in the comment box below. I will be happy to help you out there. So do not forget to press the like and subscribe button down there, and thanks for watching.